Want to know how to keep track of your work tasks in Asana? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use Asana to stay organized and never miss a task again. If you're someone who struggles to keep track of multiple tasks and projects, Asana might just be the solution you need. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage your tasks effectively in Asana, making your workflow more efficient. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that will help you make the most out of the software for free. First, let's talk about the basics. Asana allows you to create tasks that are directly tied to projects, helping you stay organized at a high level. When you open Asana, you'll see the main dashboard, which shows all your current tasks and projects. From here, you can easily add new tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Just type in the task name and hit Enter. Simple enough, right? You can also assign these tasks to yourself or your team members and set due dates to make sure everything stays on track. Next thing, let's talk about adding more detail to your tasks. Each task in Asana can have descriptions, attachments, and subtasks. If the task needs more clarification, simply click on it to open the Details pane. In there, you can add a detailed description, attach files, or create subtasks for specific steps within the task. This way, you won't miss any crucial steps. It's perfect for breaking down big projects into smaller, more manageable parts. The third thing you should know is how to organize your tasks within projects. Asana allows you to create multiple projects to categorize your work. You can create a project for each client, team, or specific work area. Inside each project, you can add sections to further group your tasks. This keeps everything organized and makes it easy to find what you're looking for. If you're working on a marketing campaign, for instance, you can create a project called Marketing Campaign and divide it into sections like Research, Content Creation, and Ad Placement. This makes your workflow incredibly clear and structured. Next, let's dive into how to manage your workload using Asana's calendar and timeline features. You can switch between different views, such as the List view, Board view, and Calendar view. The Calendar view shows you exactly when tasks are due, which helps you prioritize your work. You can even drag and drop tasks to adjust their due dates. The Timeline view allows you to create a visual roadmap of your project, so you can track progress and see how everything connects. Now, the fifth thing that will really help you stay on top of things is setting up notifications. Asana sends notifications whenever there's an update or change in a task you're involved in. This is essential because it keeps you in the loop without having to constantly check the app. You can customize your notification settings to get alerts by email or mobile notifications, depending on your preference. Finally, let's talk about how to keep your tasks on track with progress tracking features. In Asana, you can mark tasks as complete once you finish them, and you can track the progress of larger projects using the Progress feature. This will show you how many tasks are complete and how much work is left, which is great for keeping yourself and your team motivated. Now, if you want to give Asana a try, you can use it for free through the link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses that will help you get the most out of your Asana experience. Whether you're a solo freelancer or working with a team, Asana is a powerful tool to help you stay on top of your tasks and projects. Remember, Asana is a fantastic tool for keeping track of your work tasks. Whether you're a beginner or already using Asana, these tips will help you work smarter and more efficiently. Don't forget to check out the exclusive and extended free trial through the link below and get started today.